Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Thursday. It's Thursday, July the 4th, 2024. News of today. Well, I've told you. The question is: will Biden continue for his re-election? Yes. Front page. We have here Biden. And in this newspaper we have 3 regular puzzles. 2 of those I've already solved, so 1 puzzle is left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper we have also an additional... Oh, apologies, I bumped the camera. We have an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. The additional here, but now I will continue with this Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8839. 8839. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. 16. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. But it's indicated with 3 stars. And for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars. Maybe it's a 0 star. Or a 1 star. For a 0 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes. For a 1 star puzzle, faster than 50 minutes. Well, we will see if this is a 0, a 1 or 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Our boxes, because the single box is always a 1. We have only 2 single boxes. Single boxes always a 1. Here and there. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2. We have here 1 dual box. Well, this box can be 1. The 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see only 2 triple boxes. Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. I need to wait. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Same for here, 4 or a 5. But we already have a 5 here in the same area, so this box should be a 4. Alright, next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box, there quadra box. Well, contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Here. Another quadra box. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. More quadra boxes. Let me check. Here another quadra box. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. And here we have another quadra box. I need to wait. Alright, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the shape. Yeah, let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box here. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. Rotate it. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case it's a 3 here. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 2. And that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 4 here. And do we have more of these T shapes in this puzzle? Only one. And the next shape, I believe the last shape is this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Oh, I forgot to, this box has the same number as that box, so this box should be also a 1. Alright, then let me see, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. This box can be 2, this box can be 3, so 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 1. Then, let me see, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. Then this box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left with a 3 in this W area shape, supposed to be here. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box can be 3, this box can be 5, so 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. Then let me see, this box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2. If I place a 2 here or there, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for 2 in this triple box is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quarter box is supposed to be here. Alright, and now these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quarter box is supposed to be here. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers 2 and a 3 are left in this triple box. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, those 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, and this box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. Then Let me see. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Yeah. Need to think. Well, this box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape, supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surrounding 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Let me see. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. We need a 1 in this quarter box, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 4, 5, 1. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quarter box. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quarter box, supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. This box cannot be a 5, should be a 4, because in the quarter box there's no 5 in the quarter box, so this box should be a 4. Finished in 11 minutes. Well, told you, cannot be a 3 stars, not the 2 stars, not the 1 star. Yeah, should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So for the position of the camera, I've moved the camera. Apologies, but we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. And you can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.